exactly is a pharmacist, and what do you do in a typical day?
Pharmacists are healthcare professionals that normally manages drug therapies for patients and disease state management. And what I do as throughout my typical day, I'm a retail pharmacist, so I basically fill prescriptions. So I start by typing them in the system, fill them out, verify them out, and make sure there's no drug interaction or any drug disease interactions, and consult the patient, or also consult the doctor if there's any drug interactions. Call insurance companies to find out what's covered in their formulary. And also currently we started doing vaccinations for patients, that we vaccinate for flu vaccines, and along with that like pneumonia and other vaccines.
What degrees do you need to become a pharmacist, and how many years of college do you need for them?
We need, currently right now the requirement is a PharmD, which is a 6-year program.
Educational institutes would you recommend for a pharmacy?
There are many. The two that I would really recommend is University of California School of Pharmacy, and the second is University of Sciences in Philadelphia, also known as USP or PCPS.
Okay, so what type of course load do they have and requirements?
University of California and University of Philadelphia, both their requirement is a GPA of 2.8 or above, and SAT score 1200 and above, and around 45 credit hours. That is the requirement. And course prerequisites are math, biology, and chemistry.
How did you get your pharmacist license?
To get a pharmacist license, after you complete your 6-year program, you have to apply at Board of Pharmacy for your NAPLEX exam and your law exam, and after you pass that, you get your license.
Are internships required?
Internship, certain states require. Every state has their different requirements. Philadelphia has a requirement of internship, but as far as New Jersey, there is no internship hours required. As long as the last year, which is the rotations, those are your internship hours, which is around 1400 hours. Those are the internship hours, but you don't have to do other than other than what's in your curriculum.
What are the things that you like about your job, and what are some of the things that you don't like too?
Okay. The things that I like about my job is that I'm there to serve the community. I get to help out people, apply my knowledge, and great salary. There's a very good salary pay and very good benefits. Thinking about things that I don't like about my job. There's certain things I don't, for example, the shift, very long hours that you have to put in. You have to, like I said, need to be very hardworking and be very patient. Sometimes certain retail requirements are 14-hour shifts. So,
do you work that much?
I do. I work 14-hour shifts, which is 14 hours every other day, which is also a benefit because then you get a day off.
Yeah.
After a 14-hour shift. Yeah. That's the only negative about it. Other than that, I really like my job and what I do.
So lastly, do you have any tips for anybody who wants to become a pharmacist?
For tips for a pharmacist, I would say be very patient and look out for any errors that could occur when you're verifying. Be there for your patients when they need any help or any questions, because you're the ones who are going to be there anytime, unlike doctors where you have to make appointments and they look up to you. And always try to be on their side and keep them, what if you're in their on their side, and what you would be looking for, basically what kind of help you would be looking for. So always keep that in mind.
Thank you for having
You're
us.
welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you.